Welcome back, everyone. My name is Super Milky Cat 19, and we are back playing on my own. Last time, which is a few minutes ago, I made it to well, I don't know. I'm so happy to say I made it to springtime, and all of the bushes grew back. I'm so happy because I got all my food, and now I learned my lesson to get as much food as you can during the summertime while you still can. That's my lesson I learned because I nearly died. I just have to be grateful that winter's only like 3 days. Oh, I'm so hungry. Oh yes, I know, because this is not my original save point. So I know that this fell. So which that means I have food. No, don't cut down the tree. There. Sorry, Bunny, but you have to die. It's the circle of life. By the way, I need to refill this if I want more bunnies. That is. Oh god, that hurt. Put that right there. There. Oh, we shall leave. We shall flee. We shall leave.
Make like a leaf and leaf.
Yep. Oh, raspberry. These are really amazing. But before I get too carried away, I really do, you can't just leave those raspberries there. Come on. And, I totally forgot how to work this game. It was only like a few minutes ago when I played this. Isn't that right, sis?
Mm-hmm.
There are my roasted bunny. Yummy, yummy punt. Never mind. Anyway, someone told me, which is my sister, Kiva, she told me that berries grow like in
Here,
the...
put the phone next to me.
Why?
Put the phone next to me so they can hear my typing. Okay, so guys, listen to me type.
Hopefully you guys can hear that typing, because certainly she can. Get the deer! Get the deer! No, I can't get the deer. Why? Your inventory's full once again? Oh my god! You gotta be kidding me! Oh yeah, I have these raspberries, and I don't really need this. So I guess I'll put those away. Don't really need this feather right now. Oh yeah, I need to put this wood on the fire. So someone told me that up here is where berries like to grow and stuff. Because that's where all the bushes are. So that's where I'm going to head before all the bushes are gone. And with the bushes are gone, the berries are gonna be gone. That's bad, right? Yeah, it's pretty bad. Trust me. I had to survive the winter without even knowing I had extra on me. I was so embarrassed. Ooh. Oh, I set a trap up here? I did? Cool. I never even knew that. Was that a previous episode? There's a rabbit in there. Rabbit, you're gonna die. You're gonna die, son. Where'd the rock go? Oh no, I didn't collect the rock because it wasn't a rock.
Omega.
Omega? What does that mean?
Don't know. Alpha and Omega.
Mm.
Alpha and Omega.
Do you know how to spell it?
No.
Going back because I barely have any energy left. I'll come back here, bushes.
Oh. Look at this alphabet. Look at these special characters.
Oh, that alphabet is too confusing for me. Collect this.
Symbols. Emoji. wingdings.
And I have no idea. I'm just gonna sleep on the ground if I don't make it there in time.
Anyone know wingdings?
Wingdings? No. Wingdings?
Wingdings.
No, I don't know what that means.
I hope someone knows wingdings.
No, I don't think anyone does, except your friends. So basically, I'm just going to repeat this cycle over and over and over again, I think. Because it's a game, and that's what they want me to do. Right? Pretty sure. And I'll start a new day. Oh, I'm so hungry. Ooh, might as well roast this. There. Yum. Now I'm going to go back up because my energy is full, or almost full. I just need 2 more bars, my energy bar. And I really want to gather all of this stuff before winter or fall, because that's going to be a bad time. And wood, I guess. I don't know if wood is really important, since you can get it through all seasons. 2 rocks, that's really good. Now I know the purpose of the rocks. No. Get that one. Oh, worm! Poor worm. I'm gonna have to die. I think rabbits like to eat that stuff. Worms, I guess. But anyway, I'm gonna collect these berries because berries are really scarce during sometimes. Oh, you're really good right there. Yeah, yes, baby. That's what I need. Collect as many as you can. But just to think about it, there's thousands of berries in this bush, but I only get like 1 or 2 out of it. Oh my gosh. I really should be more, because it looks like it has like lots. Berries! Oh my god, that's really useful. But I'm gonna go exploring and see if I could find that little another hut, another different hut, a different kind. Ooh, I found a field of something. Found a field of these somethings. They're leaves. Apparently you can eat these things. I really should go back home and, eat some stuff. No! I'm gonna sleep on the ground, a wild ground. Just a few more, okay? This is really good. No. Okay, girl, I promise it's the last one we're gonna get. No, I don't think I have enough energy for that.
You should get a lot of fireweed too. Remember fireweed?
Is 13 enough? No! I fell asleep on the floor of the ground of the nature. That's bad, I think. Is sleeping on the ground of nature bad or good?
Oh, that's good.
On this game?
Yep.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go the other way, which is this way. Ugh.
What?
Nothing. Ooh, I seem to be hungry. Please. I'm going to eat some of this. Yes, it filled me up. It filled me up, fill me up. Oh, no, I'm a bad singer. Rocks. And put those right there. Hopefully that will be of good use to me later on. But I'm going to collect, growing everywhere. I'm going to collect as much as I can, because I need to. Even though I'm saying the same thing over and over again, because I have no idea. But just in case you haven't watched the other videos, this, basically winter's really bad time, because everything, like these things, lose their leaves. They just become branches, and I guess the wood is the only thing that's here, so might as well stay.
I love it when Mochi just presses her head against me.
Of course.
You need to take a bath.
Tell not Dot to take a bath.
Who wants a bath time? Who wants to take a bath?
I'm pretty sure Mochi does not want to take a bath.
Want to take a bath, baby?
Pretty sure Mochi does not want to take a bath, so please stop.
No, she does not want to take a bath.
I can tell by the look of the face.
Yep. Bath time? Bath time? Let's take a bath.
Ugh. I guess I'll go to sleep early and save after this. But anyway, guys, this is the end of this episode right here. I hope you really did enjoy it, because I certainly did. And I'll see you guys later after I save. Of course. My fire! After I save. But just be sure, comment down below. Comment down below. Share with your friends in order to make my YouTube channel bigger. If you want to see more videos. That's really bad today. Seriously, you broke your door, sis.
I know, right?
So, bye.
How long did you ran for?
At least 10 minutes. Bye.